following on from the last video, we're going to go through the format options in slightly more detail, um, just to show you what is available within this tab. So I'm going to click on my moon item now. Now what you'll see is it's pretty much got a transparent background, but apart from the two little lines, which you can see are just at the top right and the far left. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go up to the top of my image. I'm going to click on my crop tool and I'm going to slowly bring down the outer edge of the image to eliminate those two lines. Now, the first one you'll see is my size and rotation. Now you'll see that you've got the width option, a height option. You've also got a scale and a scale. Now the scale is set to 100% on both, so you don't get any distortion when it comes to the image. Now, for example, if I click on my lock aspect ratio and I then try and resize the image, if I go down, they're both staying the same and there's no distortion within the image. So if I just press my Command Z to go back to the original size, and if I now click on and I take the lock aspect ratio off, I'm just going to change the width of the image and 34%, and you'll see immediately that the round moon image that we started off with has now become squashed. And if we turn back, we've now got the original width and scale there, because it's taken into account now the new image as opposed to the previous one we started with. I'll go to Command Z again on this now, and you'll see that it's taken me right back to where the image is. Now I can also, I've got the option to rotate the image in increments. If I press the little arrows, which is taking it up to 15, and I'll go back down to 0, which is taking it back to its original state before any rotation. I've also got the option to do quite significant rotations in one step. So if I click on 90 degrees, you'll see that it's taken my image in 90-degree increments. I can also flip the image, which is great for duplicating images and making them slightly different to what they would be. And I've also got a flip vertical option, which is available to my right. And that is my size and rotation for images. Now I can also do the same with my text. For example, I've got my width and height panes again, my lock aspect ratio option. But again, if I go down to my 90%, I could take this image, for example, and I could take the text down the side of the page. Just Command Z that again, or I can flip the text just for some interesting effects. And I've also got the angle that then in increments as with my image.